AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's one of the fastest ways to make money online in 2025. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can start making money online with AI, even if you're a complete beginner.
This video is going to be a very short one, and I just thought that it's important I update you so you can level up and jump on the moving train and start using AI.
Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Obicha Wisdom, and I share proven strategies to build online income streams. Hit that subscribe button if you want weekly tips on AI, business, and financial freedom. Method 1, freelancing with AI. Do you know that most ebooks, Facebook, Instagram, and even WhatsApp contents are done with the help of AI? And the best part, anyone can do this. Businesses are hungry for content, and AI makes it faster to deliver. With ChatGPT, Jasper, Canva AI, or Midjourney,
You can offer blog writing, social media content, graphic design, ebook creation. Offer these services on Fiverr,
Upwork, or Freelancer, and position yourself as an AI-powered freelancer.
Method 2, YouTube and TikTok automation. Check on YouTube and TikTok for countless faceless contents. Faceless content is blowing up.
AI can help you script, voice, and edit videos for YouTube and TikTok. You never need to show your face. Just use stock clips, AI voiceovers, and tools like Pictory or Runway. Monetize through ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. Method 3, affiliate marketing with AI tools. AI platforms like Jasper, Pictory, and Canva all have affiliate programs. Create tutorials, blogs, or short-form videos showing how they work. Every sign-up through your link earns you passive income. Method 4, AI digital products. Most digital products are built with AI, starting from research to scripting and so many other things. With AI, you can quickly create ebooks, templates, or online mini courses and sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. Once made, they generate passive sales over and over again. Method 5, AI consulting for businesses. Small businesses don't know how to use AI. Offer services like setting up AI chatbots, automating emails, creating AI content calendars. They'll pay you for saving them time and money. So those are 5 powerful ways to make money online with AI. Freelancing, YouTube or TikTok automation, affiliate marketing,
Digital products, and consulting. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you'll try first. I personally recommend that you consider taking an AI course, and this is going to change your online presence story.
Now, check in the description below. I am going to be leaving a link to a course I can sincerely recommend, and let this be your first step to becoming an AI guru. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more weekly AI money-making tips. See you in the next one. Bye.